Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an intent letter for job or business. What is a letter of intent for a job? A letter of intent is an expression of interest to an employer for being considered for any opening they may offer. Although somewhat similar to a cover letter since you'll state your skills and qualifications, a letter of intent is more general. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write the letter of intent for job properly. Check this out. First thing first, you will have to write the date today. In this case, it is June 18, 2023. And then, write the recipient's details. They are including the full name, the organization, and the address as well. For the address, mention the number and street name, the city, of the state, and the zip code. And now, you can open your intent letter with "Dear" followed by the name. In the first paragraph, you can introduce yourself. Introducing here doesn't mean saying "Hello, I am Emma." No, you can level up it by showing your interest in the company since you were in college. And give brief details about your education background and work experience that is related to the job you are interested in the company. In the second paragraph, you can give details about your achievements. To make it easy to read, you can make bullet points like this. Mentioning all relevant achievements will convince them that you are the asset they are looking for. In the third paragraph, you can tell more about your job experience. It is to give insights about your skills. For example, if you are a programmer, you can mention what programming languages you understand. Of course, this is important so that the company can decide if you are the one they are looking for or not. Intent letter is different from application letter. The job vacancy may not be available yet, so you can show how interested you are if it is available. Don't forget to give your personal contact like phone number and email address. Yes, that's how you write the intent letter for job. You can close it with sincerely, put your signature, and full name. Good luck.